When a massive star depletes its nuclear fuel, its core collapses, triggering a supernova explosion that briefly outshines its entire galaxy. Eventually, the radiation storms subside, leaving only a dark void. Yet, at the epicenter of that destruction, a dense remnant remains. This is the neutron star, a cosmic corpse that persists after its parent sun has been obliterated. It exists as the deadliest physical object permitted by the laws of physics, operating on a scale where our standard logic no longer applies. Death in the deep universe serves as a dark transition into an unrecognizable monster, where the normal rules of reality are shattered. This entity contains a mass exceeding that of our entire sun, gravity forces that gargantuan mass into a sphere just 20 kilometers in diameter, roughly the size of a small city. To visualize this density, consider a single teaspoon of this star's matter. It weighs over 1 billion tons, equivalent to the weight of a terrestrial mountain. This concentration of mass generates gravity 100 billion times stronger than Earth's gravity. The pull is so intense that it crushes every contour, forging the smoothest surface in the universe, where the highest peaks are only a few millimeters tall. Any small object falling to this surface would accelerate instantly, striking at millions of kilometers per hour and triggering an explosion comparable to a thermonuclear weapon. At these extremes, the pressure eliminates the empty space within atoms, forcing protons and electrons to merge into a solid mass of neutrons. Because the atomic structure itself vanishes, any matter that touches the surface is effectively erased. This absolute density triggers a lethal kinetic reaction. Through the law of conservation of angular momentum, the collapsing core begins to spin at brutal speeds. Now a pulsar, the star rotates hundreds of times every second, while firing beams of intense electromagnetic radiation from its poles. These radiation beams sweep through the void with terrifying precision, acting as a beacon across the galaxy. This rhythm is so steady, humanity mistook the pulses for signals from an alien civilization. That signal was actually the heartbeat of a lethal cosmic machine, a reminder that the dark universe conceals untouchable monsters. Some neutron stars evolve into an even more dangerous variant, the magnetar. It possesses a magnetic field 1,000 trillion times stronger than Earth's, making it the most extreme magnet in the universe. The magnetar destroys without needing to touch. Its lethal boundary begins thousands of kilometers before anything reaches its physical surface. As an object enters this field, the magnetic force forcefully strips electrons from their nuclei. Without fire or physical impact, matter simply unravels, dissolving into a cloud of pure particles that are pulled into eternity. Despite its power, a neutron star can only be destroyed by one thing: another neutron star. When two of these corpses are trapped in the same orbit, they begin a dance of death that lasts for billions of years. They spin faster and faster, generating gravitational waves that tear at the fabric of space and time until they reach their absolute limit. The result is a kilonova, the most brutal collision in the universe. During the impact, matter is pulverized and reforged by unimaginable heat and pressure. From the ashes of this destruction, heavy elements are born. These elements, gold and platinum, are hurled across the galaxy. The precious metals that adorn human civilization were forged in these stellar collisions, billions of years before the Earth was formed. The luster we value is actually the remnant of a horrifying cosmic catastrophe. Every piece of gold is a piece of wreckage. Humanity wears the ashes of dead stars.